Hello, this is Mike from Oracle. It is my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Oracle to you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to introduce Oracle from 3 perspectives: who we are, what we can do for you, and the hard-selling products introduction. The purpose of this introduction is to seek a distributor in the USA. Let us begin. Oracle was founded in the year of 2009. With 12 years of rapid development, we have become the leading company in USB charging and transmission. This image here shows you the area range of our industrial park, the numbers of our employees, and the quantities of our patents. Our products are sold to more than 80 countries and regions. Now, USA market is a top priority for Oracle. We will spare no efforts to explain Oracle influence in this market with your help. This image at the bottom was taken when Oracle was awarded as the top brand in Shenzhen. Our annual selling exceeds $130 million globally. Here are the percentage of our main markets. USA market is the biggest market in the world with stronger demands for innovative products. Certainly, we do not want to miss this big opportunity this time. These pictures are taken for Oracle, Changsha, Shenzhen headquarters, Changsha branch, and the 7 factories in our Dongguan Industrial Park. These are the patents and certificates we have. One thing I can assure you is that we have all the qualified testing reports, and the products can be sold in the USA legally. The next segment is about what Oracle can bring to you. I would like to start by a famous golden circle theory to ask why first. For Oracle, our mission is to ease your PC and ease your life. And we achieve this goal by developing USB charging and transmission technologies. It just happened that we are able to provide good quality, beautiful design, and high performance products. With Oracle products, say no to the messy desktop. Here is the most important part in my whole segment, what Oracle can bring to our distributors. First, high-quality products with competitive price. When you are our distributor, you will get the full range of product lines. Second, I know you are facing the competition from the online platform like Amazon. When you become our distributor, we will set Oracle retail price for those platforms to follow strictly. In this way, we can better protect your benefits and your retailers' benefits. And you may ask why we have goods on Amazon. Because it is a good way to get the first-hand feedback from the final users. We listen to them and upgrade our products accordingly to make it perfect. Third, we don't set MOQ for Oracle products. In this way, you can quickly test the market without worrying the products can be sold out. And the next point is that we provide stronger marketing activities and the lifetime after-sales support for you. I will introduce more later. Again, you will just need to focus on your selling channels. The rest will be handled by Oracle. The last point is that we are together. Oracle will do marketing analysis and forward inquiries and potential clients to you. I don't just say it, I have done this before and will keep doing it in the future. Here is a quick personal example. When I took care of one market from Southeast Asia, the shipments were pending and sellings dropped. I took a test to study the client's purchase records in the past 3 years and to remind the clients to purchase those items that were selling so well in the past but ignored this test. I checked the item one by one. It was difficult moments, but we worked together to figure out the solutions. Fortunately, the selling boosts and the business runs so well these days. As you can see, we are not only a good supplier, we are and can be your good partner. During these days, when I prepared for this introduction, one famous speech from Kennedy was coming out of my mind, and I quote, "Ask not what the country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country." For Oracle, our principle is ask not what the clients can do for you, ask what you can do for your clients. And let's move on to see what Oracle can bring for marketing promotions. First, we have this popular social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to help more clients to learn more about Oracle. We can better recognize them by working with you. The passion of the final users can be inspired when the brand and the distributor can work together and have close interaction with them. Second, we do have beautiful videos for you to promote. You will just need to upload those videos on your website or show them to the clients. The clients will love this way by watching the video and touching their Oracle products at the same time. Third, we also promote by working with influencers, by doing unboxing, testing reviews on social media and the tech site blogs. And with a marketing team of more than dozens of people, we can do more. The next part is about Oracle hard-selling products. Certainly, we have covered a very large range of product lines with amazing products. Since this introduction is for seeking distributor in the USA, I will focus less on the product specification and focus more on the selling points. Let's have a quick review. The first product is for a transparent product. Oracle 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure, USB 3.0 Type-C Channel 2 with transmission up to 6 GB per second. Made by high-quality PC material, it is anti-shock design. Super easy to use. No any tools or screws are needed. You will just need to slide the cover and put the hard drive in. Just plug and play. And these are the series of transparent products here. The next product is Oracle 5 multi-bay enclosure with 80 TB large capacity. USB 3.0 transform speed up to 5 GB per second. Supports all 3.5-inch SATA hard disks. Backward compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1. The sufficient power of 150 watts is to ensure the data storage and transforming safety and stability. The design of double heat dissipation can speed up the air circulation and to cool the hard drive and the whole system for stable operation. This product is compatible with the systems shown here. A perfect choice for Chica mining. The next product is power strip. For power strip, safety is the first priority. Oracle products are made by top-grade flame retardant material, a safeguard to your devices. This vertical tower design provides sufficient space for each plug. Each size has independent switches and can be controlled separately. That means the users do not need to plug and unplug the devices frequently. Globally, Oracle was the pioneer to add USB port into the power strip for meeting multiple demands. And these are more of the power strips. And we are also developing new products like this luxury car design. We welcome you to share your design with Oracle. And I just think of one more product here. Oracle Video Capture Card. High quality product with high resolution. It is a perfect choice for live streaming, recording, video conference, and the mobile game with low latency, with high speed USB 3.0. And in the end, I have one more interesting video to help you learn more about Oracle. It starts from a USB cable and he moves a line continuously to become a pair of rings, which represent Oracle logo. Let's enjoy it. And that's all for today's ORICO introduction. Again, we are seeking distributor in the USA. Contact us. Thanks.